Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share my top 5 picks for the best phone holders on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Zafit Bedside Organizer and Phone Holder. Keep all of your essentials right at your fingertips with the help of this bedside storage organizer from Zafit. Effortlessly fitting between your mattress and bed frame, this nifty device and accessory holder is perfect for those who love to have their items close at hand while lounging in bed or on the sofa. Its multiple pockets transform your relaxing spot into an efficient space, ideal for storing magazines, books, phones, remotes, glasses, notebooks, and more. The bedside caddy isn't just for bedsides, it works well for bed rails, bunk beds, and sofas, making it a versatile choice for homes, bedrooms, living rooms, or dorms. Made with durable Oxford cloth and leather, it measures 20 multiplied by 12 x 0.2 inches, ensuring it's compact yet spacious enough for your needs. Number 2. Yopishi Leather Remote Control and Phone Holder. Get the perfect blend of functionality, style, and convenience with the Yopishi Large Leather TV Remote Control Holder. Designed with 5 compartments, it's versatile enough to hold everything from remote controllers for air conditioners, cable boxes, Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, and sound bars to smaller items like phones, media accessories, cosmetics, pens, and glasses. The usefulness of this organizer extends far beyond the office, fitting seamlessly into any space, be it a coffee table, a bedroom nightstand, a corner desk, a living room counter, or a study. Available in 2 sizes, it caters to all your needs, with the larger size boasting a greater capacity for all types of cell phones. Number 3. Bright Life Bedside Shelf and Phone Holder. You'll love the ease and convenience of Bright Life's bedside shelf, a versatile solution for your everyday essentials. This innovative product comes with 4 double-sided adhesive pads, enabling a quick and effortless installation process. With durable plastic construction in an elegant white color, it not only serves as a practical bedside companion, but also adds a touch of simplicity and style to your room. This unique shelf holder is a perfect size 8.7 x 8.7 x 2 inches, offering enough space to store your cell phone, glasses, pen, sticky notes, and other small items. It's also ideal for use in student dorms or as a desk-side assistance in offices. Not just limited to a vertical orientation, you can mount this shelf horizontally to cater to varying needs. Number 4. CEI and BPY Wall Mount Phone Holder. Get easy accessibility with the CEI and BPY wall mount phone holder with an internal width of 0.79 inches and wide compatibility for phones up to 6.5 inches, including iPhone, Samsung, LG, Google Pixel, OnePlus, Motorola, and even remote controls. This holder can accommodate almost any phone on the market. The strong 3M adhesive behind the phone holder ensures a damage-free installation, negating the need for screws and making it perfect for any room, be it the kitchen, bedroom, living room, bathroom, college dormitory, apartment, home, or office. The clever design includes a built-in circular opening for charging cable storage and a compact, lightweight design to prevent accidental slips or clutter. And you have the option of a black, white, or gray-colored holder to match your home or phone. Number 5. Vancori Wall-Mounted Charging Phone Holder. Enjoy the convenience and organization of Vancor's clear wall-mounted charging phone holder. Crafted with environmentally friendly acrylic, this holder boasts a sleek finish and minimalist design that complements any decor. Clear and transparent, you'll have no problem identifying the contents inside, whether it's your phone or remote controls. Don't stress over the scratches upon arrival. Simply remove the durable protective film to reveal the immaculate surface beneath. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.